Horses out! Getting some problem, cool and flashy. We've got Highway Builder, Jam Spotty led, Mahogany in second, Geronimo is by the third, then followed by Don Don Sentry, Yelupa, then comes Okie Dokie, Simple Beauty and Cool and Flashy. Into the turn they go. We have a Highway Builder, the leader by about 2 lengths. Mahogany now to take second, Geronimo drives back in third, alongside moving up now Don Don Sentry, then followed by Okie Dokie, Simple Beauty, Elupa. We've got Highway Builder by Waralenka, Geronimo now moving up by the rail, and in third Mahogany, Okie Dokie now coming closer in third, Don Don Sentry and Simple Beauty. Geronimo takes the lead by about 3 for Waralenka, Okie Dokie now in second on the outside, then in third moving up Don Don Sentry, Highway Builder, Simple Beauty. As they come down on the last 200, Geronimo moving up, Okie Dokie on the outside, Geronimo, Okie Dokie, Don Don Sentry, Simple Beauty. Last 100 meters, we have Geronimo, Don Don Sentry moving up on the outside, Geronimo, Don Don Sentry, and finally, Geronimo, Don Don Sentry, Okie Dokie, Simple Beauty. Highway